everyone, my name is Kwan. Today I will create a simple app about regular expression. Given a string and we enter the regular expression. In this case we look for 3 digit and we search. That's not match because there's a 2 digit. If we have 2 and it say match, or we can hit the search and replace. So whatever it found, you put a dash in there. As you can see, 12, that's a dash. Here we search for 1 digit. You can see they put a dash around every digit. In our app, we use 1 label and 3 text entry and 2 button. Here we have 1 label and 3 entry. This is the button for search, and this is button for replace. And these are the command to replace. These are the command to the search. On the did we load, basically we load some of the text in here before we run. So if you look at down here on the storyboard, is kind of blank. This function basically put the text before when we open the app. We will create new project. Hit export project. Let me move the screen inside and single view application. Say regular expression app. Say next. Say hit create. We just worry about the storyboard and controller swift, okay? So we can hit storyboard. Size big, so we can make smaller. From here we're gonna bring in the label. We bring in the button, and we bring the text. We're gonna assign the text here. You can see down here, you hit this icon, okay, not this one, this icon. Say 275. Hit enter, and you can see that its icon is 275. So copy this one. Select it first. Control C, Control V. Move it down. Control C, Control V. Here, we have 3 buttons. Now we can align them together nicely. Click this one. Let's say we put in 15. Hit enter. This one we can click down to 15. Hit enter. This one. Hit enter. Of course you can use this constraint, okay? For now I will not do it. Same button here. Make it same thing. 275 and 15. Enter. Same thing for the label. 15 to 75. Hit enter. Label we might put in the middle. So this is our basic. Oh, I forget one button. Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. I select the master view here. So See, Ctrl-V. So for the button, as you can see, it's got blank. So we're gonna create the background for the button. To bring the image in, we're gonna put in the supporting file here. Okay. Now when you click the button and you look at the property, you can see the background image here. So for this, we're gonna bring the image in by clicking that. You can see I bring it here. I just drop right down there, and you can ask me some questions. Just say finish it, and you can see this aqua uh, PNG file here. And when you go down, you click this button. No, click this button. You can see background. You can say aqua. See that? Silver aqua. So basically, our appearance is almost complete here. Let's try. Run. View succeed. Voila. One label, 3 entry, 2 button. And now we're ready to do programming. Okay, now we have the storyboard basic complete. Just on the, you can hit that button to see on the view how many, what you have label and 2 button and 3 text field. And of course you can take away. Now I don't think I need this anymore, so I'm gonna take away on that side, and I'm gonna hit the tuxedo sign here. You can see that this is our program gonna be. I don't need it anymore, so we're ready to program. Select this one, click if you have 2 mouse button, click on the right side and drag it to here and name it label. Hit enter. Same thing over here, bring in, name it entry 1, hit enter. Entry 2, hit enter. As you can put down up here, like entry 3, hit enter. Now for the function, for the button here, so we're gonna put somewhere down here, and we're gonna name it action, and we say search. We can change this button names to search. Replace. Action. Replace. Move this guy down a little bit. So basically, we link the storyboard to the view controller. So this is user interface, and this is the program, and we're gonna program this size. Let's try still view succeed, and we still have it. Now on the initial entry of the label of the end or the entry, we can double click and we type in hello. Or we can basically put this command here under the override function did load view. So here the entry, the content of entry 1, content entry 2, entry 3, and this is for the label. So let's run. You succeed, and you can see this. I run 12 my in the entry 1 and /d. So this is how you initialize some of the widget or element. Okay, now we can write some code for the search function. Control V. If you know that Swift right now, the regular expression is based on the objective C. So here we have match entry 1 text for this one, the string. For entry 2 is a pattern. So for search we don't need entry 3. So and the option regular expression search, okay. And if there's a match, then we bring. If that's not a match, we bring not match. Else we bring match. So very simple. Let's run. Here we're looking for a digit. It's match. Let's say we're looking for some run B. It's not match. So we're looking R and any character N isn't match because this dot here represents any character. So match. So next we're gonna do for the function replace. And the function replace we have to use entry 3. I just put in this command string by replacing occurrence of string. Entry 1 is a string to be searched. Entry 2 text here is a regular pattern. And entry 3 dot text here is the replacing string. So when we do that, let's try. Okay, we hit search, it found because we look in here. Here when we do the replace, you can see here $1 here represent whatever we found. We put in a bracket here. So whatever we found, we put a dash around the number. You can see. Let's say we put one more. See that? If you want to take on the number, put a $sign. If you take on the number, ran is just single number. I can go up here and say large number, replace. See that? If I put a space in here, it will consider as two number. Now our script is complete, so let's try. In here, when we do the replace, 4 we found it, 12 we found it, and this decimal number, you can see that that's not correct. So regular expression is very complex, okay? So if you start to learn it, you might be intimidated. So let's see, start for D. Basically, this command said that look for a digit or a dot and take as much you can. So take a digit, one or more digit, including the dot, as much you can. So that's what it found. If it's found the 4, that's fine. So do replace, that's how you see. So regular expression is not discussed a lot in the Swift programming language. To finish it up, I have two integer here. I like to switch them. So when I run it, you can see that 56 go in front and 4 on the back. Right? Here basically is a greedy. Okay. So if you don't do there, you can see that it replaced 6 with the 4, leave the 5 the same. And $3 means that every bracket that's a number. $1, $2, $3. So I changed around. Hope to see you in next video.